Hey, we start from here. Then you have to look at us. Yes.
And we welcome Stanbic Bank to join with us in mitigating these effects, especially through this initiative taken by Ekibiina ky'Olulimi Oluganda. We particularly note the objectives of the Expo, which will be happening soon, being to assist parents select appropriate schools for their children in consideration of the current economic situation, to create a platform where parents can acquaint themselves with the different schools' academic and co-curricular activities carried out in these schools, to give counsel and career guidance and offer psychosocial support to children through language and other cultural aspects. Mukuru Kisiriko talked about that. And also to create a link between parents and financial institutions where payment of school fees can be made easier. And we applaud Stanbic for the arrangements that you've made. We know how you have supported schools post-COVID, and we thank you so much. We particularly applaud the programs intended to support women and the children. We know that this group, which constitutes a large part of our population, is not part of the mainstream bank sector. And I think through programs like this, we can introduce women and children into the banking sector. We cannot talk about development without bringing on board a large section of our population into the banking sector. So this program, I know, will also contribute to adding these rather marginalized groups to be part of the banked sector, to encourage women banking. She talked about it. Women as single parents struggle to educate their children. They are key in educating the children. So programs like this, which do uplift them, very much applauded. We know that the objective, another objective of this Skills Expo is to link the school management to other scholastic material suppliers for better service delivery through banking services. And we note the expected outputs, like increased knowledge of the parents on the right choice of schools, creating a platform for both parents and schools for further understanding of the different activities carried out in the schools, and to create opportunity for children to select subjects from an informed angle. The increased knowledge by parents on how to handle, engage, and interface with their children better cannot be overemphasized. Increased knowledge and opportunity for parents and schools to interact. Since other matters have been talked about, I will not go deep into that, but I also want to inform you that the minister in charge of this docket sent his greetings. He wasn't able to be here, but I'm here. As Attorney General, I can stand in for 8 minutes. He is not able. That's the law of lawyers. So I'm privileged to be here, and I'm very happy to be the one to launch this noble partnership. We welcome you, Stanbic. We thank you, Ekibiina ky'Olulimi Oluganda, for expanding our partnership. The Kingdom of Buganda is an institution, it's non-governmental, but as a kingdom, it runs a government which delivers services to the people, does not collect taxes. But how does it do it? Through partnerships like this and frugal management of the meager available resources, we are able to deliver services to the people. And we thank the Kabaka of Uganda for that kind of leadership. Stanbic, we welcome you for further partnerships where it is possible. We are dealing with other banks in harmony towards the noble cause of seeing that Buganda goes back to the top. Buganda Katikkiro. I hope I will remember Buganda, that's translated properly. But getting Buganda to its proper position in Uganda, history is very clear about the role of the Kingdom of Buganda in the formation of the nation Uganda. With those few words, I'm glad on behalf of the Kingdom of Buganda to launch this partnership and to invite all schools that have not registered to register and be part of the School's Skills Expo that will be taking place at the end of this month. South Kabaka.
Check.